Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this baby gate. This is a summer infant extra wide 5-foot wide baby gate, and I'll be going over the features and functions with you in this video. Let's get right into the video. First and foremost, let's take a look at the overall baby gate. As you can see, this is a 5-foot wide doorway right here. And this, as you can see, it's a wide doorway, and the baby gate fits it perfectly. It's an extra wide baby gate. It's one of the only ones that I could find that I liked that would fit a doorway that is this wide. So if you take a look right here, it has the metal along the outside, okay? So on both sides it has metal, and on the inside it has this wooden gate, okay? The handle right here feels like it's plastic. You can see right here and the bottom piece over there, which is nice because you're touching something that feels very nice on the hand. I appreciate the fact that it has this plastic handle because you're not touching wood and you're not touching metal. The metal will get cold and warm depending on the temperature, and the wood feels cool, but I'd rather touch something that's plastic, so it's something that I appreciate. Now, if you take a look right here, one of the coolest things about this baby gate is that it has these extenders. So the standard inside of the gate is from here, okay, to here. But then on the outside of that, you have this large extender. You also have this medium extender and then this small extender. So you can use this baby gate to fit doorways and of any size, so various sizes of doorways. In the manual, there are many diagrams that show you which extenders to use in combination with each of with different combinations of the extenders to fit different sizes of doorways. On the outside, you have these tensioners right here. Really easy to use. It took, I don't know, I'd say less than 10 minutes all said and done to unpack it and install it. It's really easy to install. Yeah, so very, very simple gate. To open it and close it is very easy. What you have here is you have a retractable piece, so you can retract this out and you lift the gate up like that, and then it comes out. There's also a piece on the bottom here that goes over the bottom right there. So if you want to close it again, you lift the gate up and it goes over top of that. So it goes over top of that, and then this top part also goes in there just like that. Very simple. So you have a latch on the top and then also some security on the bottom. Really, really useful. I mean, it looks amazing, to be honest with you. It kind of matches the railing over there. So it looks really good. Super easy to install. Really, really durable. I mean, like, it's just being held in place with the tensioners, but as you can see, like, it's really, really nicely in place. Okay, very simple and straightforward for a doorway, in my opinion. It is absolutely perfect. It looks great. It works great. It's super easy to install, so it's user friendly, and you can use it for various sizes. So the reason that I like it is because if I don't want to use it in this doorway anymore, then I can bring it to a different doorway and install it in less than 10 minutes, or a different hallway and install it in less than 10 minutes. And you know, at least according to my installation time I'm speaking with, maybe it might take you a little bit longer, it might take you a little bit shorter, but it's quick and easy to install. In addition, if I want to use it for a smaller doorway, I can just remove an extender, or remove all of the extenders, or use different combinations of the extenders together, and it's very universal. So overall, it is a great baby gate. It is one of the only ones that I could find that I liked that would fit a 5-foot wide doorway, and I like the fact that it has the extenders, so you know, we can use it in a different zone. Eventually, depending on the situation, you can move it around. You can really get a good use or good value from the baby gate because you can constantly use it in different zones. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this review of this summer infant extra wide 5-foot wide baby gate. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.